There's an unprecedented opportunity for you as a digital marketing agency to not only add tremendous value to your current customer base, but also to close clients faster than you ever thought possible and retain your customers from jumping ship. I'm going to share this with you, drawing from real-world scenarios from agencies utilizing the Magnify platform. And it's all centered around the video testimonial. According to Forbes, video testimonials are the most valuable form of marketing content any business can create. In fact, the conversion power of video testimonials is 1,200 times higher than that of a written review. So why aren't you as an agency offering your clients a done-for-them video testimonial capture system? Usually it's because of all the logistics involved. You have to find a video production company, you have to outsource it, arrange time, scheduling, all that stuff. Not to mention the cost. Well, that all ends now. The cool part about offering this service to your customers is that no business will ever turn down a video testimonial from one of their happy customers, talking about how great and how fantastic their product or service is. They all know they need it, so let's get started. My name is Doug Dybert, and I am the founder and creator of the video marketing software platform, Magnify. But before Magnify, I ran a video marketing agency where we worked with businesses and agencies all over the world creating video content to help their businesses grow. I got the idea for the Magnify platform when our customers started asking us to produce videos they shot off their smartphones. I'm really excited that you're joining me here today. And hey, if you haven't connected up with me on LinkedIn, please do so. I would love to connect up with you. Exchange some messages back and forth. Plus, I also create content on there as well. All right, let's get started. Video testimonials. The first thing we're going to do, guys, is we're going to get into the pitching of consistent video content creation for your customer. When you approach your customer about the idea of creating video content, especially if they have a lot of Google reviews, or you know what, even if they don't, if they have a few reviews, that's okay, because if you're watching this video, you believe video trumps all. You say to your customer, hey, happy customer, do you have any past or recent clients that if you had a prospect that needed a personal reference, who would that person you would reach out to and ask? Isn't that a great question? Think about it, because undoubtedly, they will come up with at least 3 to 5 people that they would personally reach out to. And then obviously preface it with them, who are the 5 people you would have them reach out to? Because those are the 5 people you want to reach out to and get a video testimonial from. On top of that, go into their Google reviews and get a list of their 5 to 10 most recent Google reviews and get their contact information so that you could personally reach out via email and ask them for the opportunity to record a video testimonial. Now, you do not have to use the Magnify platform, although Magnify makes it extremely easy. So once you have this list, every single month, it's rinse and repeat. Ask for 5 to 10 customers you can reach out to and ask them for a video testimonial. Again, Magnify systematizes this entire process for you. It's really as simple as that. Get that video, produce it, put it on their website, their social media channels, what have you. The next thing we want to talk about is, well, how do you charge for something like this? There are a couple different ways to charge. First off, you can do a pay on results, meaning you don't get paid until you actually get somebody to record a video testimonial. And most of our Magnify agency white label members are charging between $100 to $200 per video testimonial they get in. So let's say you get 5 video testimonials in for that client. Let's split the difference and say $150 per video you get in. Times that by 5 is $750. It's nice revenue, but also ask the client, hey, is there a threshold on what you want to spend every month on video testimonials? Let's say they say, well, I could spend $300. But guess what? If you're asking 10 and you reach out and you get video testimonials from happy customers that exceed that, guess what? 1 or 2 things could happen. 1, they owe you a nice chunk of money, or 2, which is the method that I prefer, is you charge them a flat monthly fee. It's gonna be in that $299 to $500 a month range. So whether you get in 20 or you get in 0 that month, the price is the same. A lot of businesses like knowing that they're not gonna have a surprise bill at the end of the month. So that's really how you wanna position it. You want to position it as a monthly service charge to add onto their existing marketing plan. And the beauty about the done-for-you video testimonial gathering system is that you can charge them to do what I call a video marketing onboarding package, which helps your customer get set up to create video marketing content by having an optimized YouTube channel. That's in a separate video. If you want to watch that video, definitely check that one out. But this is all about video testimonial capture gathering. The cool part about implementing this is that you're going to now get video content that they have never had before, and it's video testimonials. Once they get that first one in, they're gonna think you are the best thing since sliced bread. If people are still saying the best thing since sliced bread anyway. But the beauty about it is you have the opportunity to upsell them and cross-sell them into different service offerings. Let me explain. So let's say you do website design. It's the only thing you do. You could charge them a service to not only charge them to for the video marketing onboarding package, but you could charge them a service to embed those videos on their website. Let's say you do reputation marketing and you're trying to differentiate yourself from other companies doing traditional traditional old school written review reputation marketing management. Well, now you could offer them what I call enhanced reputation marketing. If you want to learn more about that, there's another video for that as well. Or let's say you do social media marketing. Well, great. Now you can post those videos onto the social media for them. So then you say, hey, happy customer, you got that first video testimonial in, which a lot of agents will actually do this for free just to get the content because the video testimonial is so valuable. Anyway, you say, hey, happy customer, we also offer social media marketing. What do you say we start a social media marketing plan and we start posting video content to your social media, optimized and ready to go? And you charge whatever you want to charge them, right, for social media marketing. Well, guess what? How easy is it now for you to sell them on jumping in to your social media marketing plan? It's going to be easy breezy. It's going to be almost virtually impossible for them to say no to promoting their fantastic video testimonial. If you want to learn more on that, check out a video I have on adding video to your social media marketing plan. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Drop me a comment. Let me know what you think, what you liked, what you didn't like. I'd love to hear back from you.